Now, student, today we start the left part of a social study book. The second chapter is the Stone Age. Okay, the left part in my previous class I already discussed the Paleolithic age. And now today we discuss about the Mesolithic age. This word, the Mesolithic word is coming from the Greek word. Okay, this means is coming from Greek, and which means Meso means middle and lithos means stone. And this word, when the Meso and lithos is come together, after that this stage is known as Middle Stone Age. Okay, means the Mesolithic age we also call the Middle Stone Age. After that, I want to discuss about in this age the early humans' life, about the early humans' life. The transition between in this stage, the people in this stage, the human beings transition between these two phases. First one is a Paleolithic and second one is a Neolithic. This two phase transition is the Mesolithic age. And after that, the climate, you know that the climate is always changing. That time it's also happened there. When the climate changes, the people found the different types of food in a small area. After that, in this reason, the people stay one place for a longer time. When they stay in one place for a longer time, after that, they thinking about the settlement. Means life settle there for a long time. Means they think about the settlement. After that, people live in cave or rock shelter for a longer period. In this Mesolithic age, it's in this age for early human, it's very important is fishing. Very important was fishing is there. After that, they started thinking about the domestic animals, because they after that they think the uses of the domestic animals, how they help them. And in this paper, after all this, they thought about the growing. They started and they tried to growing the crops. Okay, student, I think that you understood. In this stage, the Mesolithic age, the people change their lifestyles. Okay, means you see here the transitions between there is a transition between the two phases. First one is a Paleolithic and the second one is a Neolithic. This two phase transaction, there is one phase is a Mesolithic age. In this stage, people settle in one place for a longer time. In this stage, people start the importance of fishing and they start the domestic animals. They think about the uses of domestic animals. And in this stage, they started thinking about the growing crops. Understood? Age. Next one is the tools. Tools. In this age, the people making better tools. They found when they make a better tools. After that, they found a small stone like tools. This stones is called a microliths. Okay. Next, that the small stones are fixed with a handle of bone or wood. This make, after that, when we when we fix a small stone with any bone or any wood, it look like a weapons or tools. Such weapons and tools, the example is here, spears, arrows and swords is the examples of tools. After means, in this way they make the tools and they use this type of tools in this Mesolithic age. And after that, you have a book, just open it, page number 10 is a site. Some evidence they found in this sites are some important Mesolithic sites have been found at Bhimbetka and Panchmali in Madhya Pradesh, Baghor in Maghor in Rajasthan, and Damdama in Uttar Pradesh. In those sites, they found this types of evidence of tool in the Mesolithic age. Understood? Now we next continue with Neolithic age. Our next one is the Neolithic age. In this age, Neolithic. This word is come from Greek word. Neo means new and lithos means stone. This come together known as a Neo Stone Age. Means Neolithic age is also known as a New Stone Age. And in this age, the people lifestyle is they start farming and herding. After that, when they start farming and hunting, after that they are known as a hunter and gatherer. Hunter and gatherer, they try to produce the foods. They try to produce the food means they cultivate a different type of crops such as wheat and barley. After that, they also get food, and from the domestic animal they get the meat and milk. The domestic animal they use is the sheep and goat. From sheep and goat they found meat, and they get a meat and milk. After when this happened, they stop moving from one place to another, and they start developing the settlement in a large group. After when this finished, in this age, the Neolithic age, there is a great invention out there which is wheel. When the wheel invented, after that, the life is very easier. They move from one place to another easily with the heavy load. Okay. When the wheel is invented, after that they use spinning and weaving. Okay, after when the weaving started, they use a different types of material for cloths. Mostly they use a cotton. And some other is also there's a burial sites. Burial sites is if you have a book, page number 11c in the second para. Some burial sites found during excavations reveals that Neolithic people buried their dead bodies along with other objects. Means those people after they finish their life, means those people dead, they buried the dead bodies under the ground with the other objects, whatever they use that time. This shows that a belief in life after death. It means that in the Neolithic age, people know about the death and the life. This object was probably made to use by the death in the other world, and this type of object is found from the other world also. After that, some sites are there where we get the pit house. Okay, is a Barza home. Barza home is the one type of the example of a pit house where we find the different where we found the previous settlement, which is whenever the cold weather is there, whenever the cold weather, they found this type of house which is a pit house. The archaeologists also found, and the another also found there is a eastern pot which they used for stored something or cooked food. Understood? After that we start the tools part. In Neolithic age, the different types of tools is also used. The tools in this age, the people use well sharp and polished tools. They give a sharp and neat sharp and neat cutting edge. In this type, people use this type of tools, and some other tools are they also used with the help of their grinding grains, and some other also uses. If you have a book, just check out that page number 11. Take out page number 11. Then, however, at the same time, tools of a Paleolithic and a Neolithic age, they also been made and used their tool also in that age tool also. There are some evidence of the sites. The archaeologists have found a number of Neolithic sites in the Indian subcontinent. Some of the important ones are the Meghal in Pakistan is the examples of those sites where the archaeologists find the evidence of a Neolithic peoples. Use the tools, whatever the thing they use, they leave that place, they use a different type of evidence they found from there. Mehergarh. Mehergarh in Pakistan, Barzahum in Kashmir, Koldiva in Uttar Pradesh, and Chirant in Bihar. Evidence of grains and bones of domestic animals have been found from this place. Means in those places they found the evidence of Neolithic age humans. Next is our Chalcolithic age.